Hey, so if you want your videos to be edited like Ali Abdal, Natt, or Alex Hamzi, or any other famous YouTuber, or you want your videos to be edited in a new trending videos, I will can edit for you. I will simply put my email and my Upwork profile in the description, and you can contact me there at any time, and we can discuss on your project, so how we can make your project successful. So I will start the video here.
Hi, Daniel here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to edit like Nat, who is getting very famous on Instagram by making very great and very creative videos. So let's get started. So first, let's open CapCut and then click on new project here. And after that, click on modify and then change your ratio to 9:16 and change the name to Nat. You can write any name you want and don't change any other options. Just click save and after that import the video you want to edit. I want to edit my own video, so I'm going to import it. And after that, take your video to your timeline, drag it on your timeline. So now let's add text to our video. Just click on text, then add text to your video, increase the size you want text to be, then go to text and enter and erase it. I'm going to add Daniel editing. Then I'm going to click on text and click on Control C. And then I'm going to click on Control V, and just like that, my text has been copied. Then on the lower text, I'm going to erase it again, and I'm going to write video strategy. So what's next is you're going to do is drag it down, and the second text, you're going to drag it down too. Then if you want, you can change this text. I'm not going to copy the same text you use. I believe you should have your own style. I'm going to choose Fantastic for my text. I believe it looks great. And then I'm going to change the color of my text. The first text I'm going to change the color to be is going to be yellow. And the second text I'm going to change color to be red. And then I'm going to add animation only on the lower video. So lower text. So I'm going to choose zoom out text, which is right here. And just like that, my animation has been added to my text. Hey, so the text has been added. Now let's add glow effect to our text. Just click on text, scroll down from here and click on glow. Actually, I'm going to put glow on both text. So I'm going to select both text and then scroll down and click on glow. And you can choose how much intensity you want your text to look like. As you can see, it looks like this right now, 50 intensity and 40 range. I'm going to decrease the intensity to 40. And just like that, my glow effect looks much better. The text has been added. Now let's move to the second part. Now let's add the cache effect. Now net use purchased asset of cache explosion, which I'm not going to use right now. I'm going to use a free asset. I will put the link in the description. You can download it from YouTube. I also have downloaded it from YouTube. So what you need to do is just import that cache effect from your file. I'm going to import it from my file. I have put it right here. So just import it and drag it down on your clip. As you can see, it shows green at the back with cache, but do not worry, I have solution for that. Just go to cutout, click on chroma key, then click on color picker, and then click on the screen with the green screen, then increase the strength from here and also the shadows, so the green effect has been decreased. As you can see, I have increased the strength to 48 and it's now look much better. You can crop the video that you do not want. So I'm going to delete the rest of the video, rest of the length, and just like that, your cache effect has been added to your video. Now you may have seen a lot of assets like the flat icon assets. I will show you how to add it. It's simple. Just go to import and you can download these assets from flaticon.com. Do not worry, I will put the link in the description. You can download it for free. I'm going to just select an asset like this communication asset. Just like that, drag it on your timeline, and just like that, your asset has been added, but you need to decrease the size. And if you want, you can drag it down, and plus you can add animation to your asset flat icon. So I'm going to choose swipe up or side up for this asset, and just like that, my flat icon has been added. You can add as many flat icons as you want. So this part has been added. Now let's move to the next part. Now let's add the sound effect, shadow effect, and transitions that everyone use. Yes, the old film transition. Now let's add sound effects. You may have listened sound effect like pop-up sound. You can download it from any website. I already have downloaded it. Don't worry, I will put the link in the description for that sound effect. What you need to do is just drag and drop your sound effect to your timeline. I'm going to choose it from here and I'm going to put it right below the flat icon so you may know how it sounds like. Yes, and you may have listened the sound effect like for the port strip. For that, first, what you need to do is you need to have a space between two videos, and what you need to do is add the port film effect to your video. Sorry, port film, not transition. Port film transition, and you have to click it, and just like that, it will be added. And to make it more real, you need to add sounds. For that, you can just search for paper sound effect, and you can add this paper sound effect below your transition, and you need to add one more sound effect, which is camera click or camera shutter. You can search it on CapCut. No, not this one. Yes, I like this one. So just put it down, and now I will play the video and the sound so you can understand what I'm talking about. This sound effect, if everyone use it, even Natt use this. So we have add three things: the pop-up sound, the transitions, and transition sound. And I'll teach you one more thing, which is the shadow effect that you see below top down your video. What you need to do is go to library in media and put black background effect. Then what you need to do is rotate it to 90 degrees. After putting black background, you need to increase the size. Then you need to go to mask and click on split. Then change the rotation to 90 degrees again. Okay. And then drag it down. And just like that, you have the shadow effect. If you want, you can add the shadow effect to your whole timeline. I'm not going to do that right now. So in next part, I'm going to teach you. Now we have added a lot of things. Now let's move to the last part. Now we have added a lot of things. Now let's move to the last part of the video. Now in last part, you may have seen Natt video, two videos like coming close together, small videos. What you need to do is you need to import two videos that you need to add on your video. I will add it from my PC again, and which is in downloads. So add first video on your timeline, then add second video to your timeline. Okay. what you need to do is you need to put one video on above another equally. Then what you need to do is you can decrease the size of the video and change the position on the top. And for the next video, you will do the same. You will decrease the size and put it on the top. Make sure the size, both video size are same. So my first video size is 41. I will change it to 40. And for the next video, I'm going to do same 40. And after that, what I will do is I will go to mask and I will select rectangle and I will increase the size again. And then what I will do is I will I will make round corners. You can just increase the round corners as you like. I will just select 30 for first video, and for another video I will do the same. I will go down on basic and I will increase the roundness. But before, we have to go to mask, select rectangle, then increase the size again. Then we will go down, increase the corners to 30. And then what we need to do is we need to go to animation. And for the first video, I'm going to choose, for this video, I will choose slide left. And for this video, I will choose slide right. And just like that, as you can see, just like that, my both videos come together like that. So in last part, you may have seen photos with blurred background. What you need to do is you need to import your video on your timeline. Then you need to add a blur effect. So I will put blur effect. It's already in CapCut and it's free. Just drag it on your video, and just like that, your background will be blurred. And to put a screenshot, you can just take screenshot from your mobile phone. The image you want to be showed on your video, and you can easily upload it on Dropbox or OneDrive, or you can simply transfer it through your wire. And from iPhone, you can do iDrop. I already have downloaded. So I'm going to just add my video, picture. So I'm going to add picture to my media. And I'm going to drag it on my timeline. And then I'm going to decrease the size. And just like that. If you want, you can add text, you can add animation for this, you can do whatever you want. So if you like this video and if you want to see more video like this, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon. I will see you next video.